If you want to find more of my Maths YouTube videos quickly and easily, visit my website, click on the link for Math videos at the top of the home page, scroll down for the section of Maths you need, then click on the link for that playlist. Just very quickly reviewing significant figures. You need to know these when you're doing standard form. We have 376,400 and we've been asked to round it to 3 significant figures. We find the first digit that isn't a 0, and here that's the first digit of the number, which is 3. The second significant digit is 7 and the next one is 6. Anything after that needs to be a 0. Before we change the rest of those digits to zeros, we just check that fourth digit and determine whether that 6 stays the same or whether we have to take it up to 7. That fourth digit is 4, which means 6 stays the same. So 376,400 rounded to 3 significant figures will be 376,000. Everything after those 3 significant figures will be 0. Here we have 503,600 and we want to round this to 3 significant figures. Again, we look for the first digit that isn't a 0, and that's 5. The second digit is a 0, but because it comes after a significant digit, we include it. So that's our second significant figure, and the third is 3. Everything else needs to be a 0. Before we change that to 3 significant figures, just check that fourth digit. That's a 6, which means we need to round up. So that 503,000 will become 504,000, rounded to 3 significant figures. This time we have much smaller numbers. There are several decimal places. If we were to round this number to 3 significant figures, we do exactly the same thing. We find the first digit that isn't a 0, and that's the 2, which is 2 thousandths. The 7 is the second significant digit, and 5 is the third. We get rid of all the rest, but before we do that, just check that fourth digit. Because that's a 4, the 5 will stay the same. So if we turned all those into zeros, remembering that with decimals, any zeros that don't have significant figures after them, we can just take them off. Here we have another small decimal number. We're going to round it to 3 significant figures. We find the first digit that isn't a 0, and that's 1. The next digit is a 0, but because it comes after a significant digit, we include it. So that 0 is the second significant figure, and 8 is the third. We need to get rid of the rest of that number, but before we do, just check, do we need to keep that 8 the same or round it up to 9? We have a 7 beside it, so that 8 will become a 9. And remember, we don't need the zeros on the end of a decimal number. If you found this video helpful, please click the thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel.